In the vast expanse of space, there's an astonishing diversity of planets waiting to be discovered. Just imagine a world where it doesn't just rain, but sideways and at a speed of over 1,800 miles per hour. Welcome to the intriguing world of HD 189733b, a planet that defies conventional imagination. In this captivating exploration, we will delve into the perplexing mysteries of HD 189733b, a planet that challenges our understanding of planetary conditions. Join us as we unravel the perplexing truth behind this unusual celestial body. HD 189733b is a fascinating exoplanet that has captured the attention of astronomers due to its unique characteristics and peculiar behavior. Let's dive into some mind-boggling facts about this enigmatic planet. HD 189733b is classified as a hot Jupiter. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's a gas giant roughly the size of our Jupiter. But instead of orbiting around a star at a comfortable distance like Jupiter does with the Sun, HD 189733b is extremely close to its star. It whips around its star in just over 2 days, completing one orbit. That's an astonishingly short period compared to Jupiter's 12-year orbital period around our Sun. Can you imagine the gravitational forces at play here? The extreme proximity of HD 189733b to its star exposes the planet to scorching temperatures. On the side facing the star, the temperature reaches an eye-popping 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit or 930 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the Sun. Talk about a toasty place to call home. How does a planet get so close to its star? It must have formed much closer in, perhaps as far as 3 times closer than its current position, and then migrated inward, possibly due to gravitational interactions with other bodies in the system. Scientists believe that these intense conditions on HD 189733b are the result of a unique combination of factors. First off, the star it orbits is nearly twice the size of our Sun, meaning it has a stronger gravitational pull. Additionally, HD 189733b likely had an eccentric formation with its initial orbit extending as far out as Pluto's orbit before migrating closer to the star. All of these factors contributed to the extreme conditions we see today. One of the most peculiar aspects of HD 189733b is its lack of rings. Despite its size and proximity to its star, it hasn't managed to accumulate a substantial set of rings. This is surprising because Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn, which are all gas giants, have rings. Researchers hypothesize that the powerful stellar wind from HD 189733 AS star may have cleared away any potential ring material, preventing the formation of rings around the planet. This unique characteristic sets it apart from other gas giants in our own solar system and among exoplanets. The discovery of HD 189733b has provided scientists with valuable insights into the diverse range of planetary systems that exist beyond our own. The planet's unusual characteristics have challenged conventional models of planetary formation and evolution, forcing astronomers to expand their understanding of what is possible. As we continue to explore the intricacies of this enigmatic planet, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries that will shape our comprehension of the cosmos. Now let's talk about its intense winds. HD 189733b boasts some of the fastest winds that have ever been recorded in our universe. These superpowered winds tear across the planet's surface, reaching speeds of over 5,000 miles per hour. That's almost as fast as a jet plane. These high-speed winds are driven by the extreme temperature differences between the day and night sides of the planet. The sudden change in temperature creates a pressure gradient which fuels these mighty winds. But here's the kicker. These winds don't blow horizontally. They are directed almost entirely sideways. Scientists believe that these sideways winds are caused by the gravitational pull of the star and the planet's rapid rotation. The star's gravity stretches the planet slightly from pole to pole, making it wider than it is tall. This distortion, combined with the planet's rotation, generates powerful Coriolis forces that steer the winds into their unique sideways pattern. Here's another mind-blowing fact about HD 189733b. This sideways wind plays a crucial role in shaping the planet's atmosphere. The relentless movement of the wind causes waves to form, much like ripples on the surface of the ocean. These waves extend hundreds of miles across the planet. What's even more remarkable is that these waves travel at incredible speeds of around 180 miles per hour. Imagine being caught in a wave that size. But hold on to your space helmets because things are about to get even weirder. HD 189733b experiences a bizarre phenomenon known as glass rain. Yes, you heard that right. Rain sideways at over 1,800 miles per hour, and it's made of glass. Here's how it works. The scorching temperatures on the day side of the planet vaporize silicates, which are compounds containing silicon and oxygen. These vaporized silicates then travel with the sideways winds towards the cooler night side of the planet. As they reach the colder regions, they cool rapidly, causing them to condense into tiny droplets. But here's the twist. These droplets aren't water. They are molten glass. It's like stepping into a scene from a sci-fi movie where rain falls in rivers of molten glass. Scientists believe that these glass droplets reach millions of tiny shards, creating a thick fog on the night side of the planet. HD 189733b has no solid surface. It's entirely composed of gases and a thick atmosphere. Even if you were to descend through the atmosphere, you wouldn't find a ground beneath your feet. You'd be met with a swirling mass of gases and clouds. And here's another nail-biting fact. This planet is tidally locked. That means one side of the planet is permanently facing its star, while the other side remains shrouded in darkness. This peculiar phenomenon occurs because the gravitational pull of the star is so strong that it keeps one side of the planet locked in its embrace. As a result, the day side experiences eternal daylight and scorching temperatures, while the night side is plunged into darkness and freezing cold. Scientists have been able to observe the transit of HD 189733b in front of its host star using powerful telescopes such as the Hubble Space Telescope. During a transit, the planet passes between the Earth and its star, momentarily casting a shadow on the starlight. By observing the dimming of the starlight during these transits, astronomers can study the planet's size and orbital period. HD 189,733 billion is about 64 light-years away from Earth, making it one of the closest potentially habitable planets we know of. However, despite its proximity, exploring this distant world remains a daunting challenge. The immense distance involved makes it difficult to collect detailed information about the planet. As of now, further exploration and observation of HD 189733b are limited by the constraints of our current technology. Is HD 189733b similar to Jupiter? Well, it shares some similarities with our largest gas giant. Both planets are massive and have atmospheres that are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. However, there are significant differences as well. HD 189733b is about twice the size of Jupiter, but it is significantly hotter due to its proximity to its star. Additionally, the winds and storms on HD 189733b are far more extreme than anything we experience on Jupiter. You might wonder, can humans visit HD 189733b? Unfortunately, the answer is a resounding no, at least not with current technology. The harsh conditions, including scorching temperatures, crushing atmospheric pressure, and the absence of a solid surface, make it an inhospitable destination for humans. Moreover, the planet's distance from Earth poses a significant barrier to exploration. Traveling to HD 189733b would require advanced propulsion systems that we haven't developed yet. Now, how did scientists discover HD 189733b? The planet was discovered in 2005 using the radial velocity method, also known as the Doppler spectroscopy method. This technique involves observing the slight wobble in the star's motion caused by the gravitational pull of its planet. By measuring this wobble, astronomers can infer the presence and characteristics of the planet. Since its discovery, HD 189733b has been extensively studied using various telescopes and space missions. HD 189733b is truly a remarkable planet that defies our conventional understanding of planetary systems. From its extreme temperatures and sideways winds to its glass rain and tidal locking, this planet pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of our universe, we can expect to find even more mind-boggling worlds that challenge our perception of the cosmos. Folks, we've reached the end of our journey into the perplexing world of HD 189733b. If you found this exploration of the sideways glass rain and scorching temperatures both fascinating and informative, I encourage you to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments below what other mind-bending astronomical phenomena or distant planets you'd like me to cover in future videos. Your input matters. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.